Hello, my name is Nick, and today I'm going to take you through a further introduction to our battery panel. In our first video, we explained that you can connect components to your panel using a bus system. For this, you'll need a bus module. You can place it left or right in your housing, connecting it with 4 wires to your core bus. And from that module, you'll essentially lay one large loop to which you can connect all kinds of components. We can connect a maximum of 124 components to that loop, and they address themselves on the bus. This includes a range of motion detectors, magnetic contacts, glass break detectors, but also universal input modules to connect smoke detectors or other components like outdoor detectors. Ultimately, all of these are automatically addressed. You can also manually adjust this addressing afterwards, for example, if you later modify the loop and add components and want to place them in a logical position. You also have the option to actually place an isolation module on that bus line. We essentially call that creating a T-split, and then you can create tap lines where you can connect 3 or 4 or perhaps even more components into the tap line on your existing bus. So that concludes this brief introduction to our MX components. These are what we call the bus components. And in the next video, I'd like to tell you more about the possibilities of, for example, Z-Wave. Thanks for watching, and until the next one.